This background is fake. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your background from this to this. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to have a fake background for your account. We all know how important it is to have a good background as a content creator. This is a step-by-step tutorial. All these apps are free. You don't have to pay anything to have this app. So you're going to need 3 apps for this tutorial. But before we start, I would like to point out that you need to film your recording video with a plain white background to avoid any glitching or any other mistakes. And you need a tripod and a ring light. If you don't have a ring light, no problem. You can put your phone at a window with a bright light and then you can record your video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. On to the tutorials. Like I said before, you're going to need 3 apps. So the app you're going to need is Capcut, Canva, and the AI tool, which is going to generate our background for us, which is Leonardo.ai. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into this. So the step one you need is to first of all record your video like the one I'm doing right now. You have to finish recording it and edit. This is the mistake that I am making. They record the video and they edit it while having the background, the fake background view. You don't have to do that. You have to edit all your videos. This your talking video, you finish editing it, you cut all the mistakes that you've made out, and then you put it aside. So once you finish recording your video and you've edited every mistake that you've made aside, now we move on to making the background. So with the background, you're going to go to Google, you type in Leonardo.ai. What you're going to do is that you're going to create an account. If you don't have an account, this website, you have to create an account if you don't have an account already, and you have to be 18 years and above to create this account. It's totally free. After you finish creating your account, you're going to quickly press on this icon right here and then you put your prompt inside. Now with this prompt, I saw it on YouTube, so I'm going to leave the prompt in the description box with the creator that I saw it from also in the description box. I love the prompt that she used. So this is just a Christmas tree with the studies, and then we are still in the festive season, so I thought why not use it. But you can also change it up and do it any way you want. You can create literally any prompt that you have. All you have to do is you need to think wide and then make your imagination do the work for you. So I'm gonna use this prompt that this YouTuber used. Once you finish creating your prompt, it's gonna give you some images, and then you're gonna go through all the images that you like and then the ones that you think it's fitted for your personality or your platform. After you finish selecting the image, that you're gonna click this icon right here to load the images. Now once you finish downloading the images, this is where the second app comes in, which is Canva. You're gonna quickly open Canva. If you don't have an account, you can create an account for free. There's also pro version, but with this one we're going to use the free version. So you go into the Canva app and then you put your image that you loaded into the app, and then you're going to resize it. Now the thing about this is that you have to resize it. Since it's on YouTube, you need to resize it to this measurement on the screen. You have to play around with it a little bit because it takes time to get the position that you want. After you finish resizing it, you're gonna save it as image. Don't save it as a video, save it as image. You can add any touches that you want. You can add YouTube sounds, you can put another edit, any edit that you want. You can add it to the background here on in Canva. Now once you finish resizing the images and adding your touches to it, you're going to head over to the next app, which is Capcut. If you don't have an account, you create an account as always, and then you head over to new project. You press new project, you add the image you downloaded from Canva. You're going to stretch the length of the image to the length of your video. So for example, if your video is up to 1 minute, you're going to stretch it to the length of the video. This helps you, to avoid glitching and all those things. So we're going to stretch our image to the size of video length. Now, while we finish stretching the length, we're going to add the videos that we've already recorded in the first step into this step, and we're going to press overlay, and then you add your video to it. While you finish pressing overlay and adding your video to the app, because The reason why you have to do it like that is that you are coming to remove the background of your original video. So you add the original video as an overlay to the image that you lengthen. Here it takes a little bit of time depending on the data you're using, but it takes a little bit of time. Make sure you have the patience to wait up to 100%. You see that background have removed up to 100%. Now for you to remove your background, you're going to press edit, you press cut out, and then you press background remove. It's going to load up to 100%. Make sure it totally remove up to 100% to avoid glitching. After you finish cutting out the background of the video, you're gonna press effect. You choose this side or you type in blur. You choose the blur. Now I don't like the way this one is looking right now, so I'm gonna lower the opacity to make it fit so that the video and this the background are going to be seamless together. Now you can also choose to have a different effect any way of your choice, but then this is what works for me, so that's what I'm gonna do. You can choose any effect because we want the video to be realistic as much as possible. So yeah, and then another tip is that while you're filming your video, make sure the background is not that busy, because if the background is like really busy, you're gonna have some glitches and all of that. So make sure you're filming the video at a plain white background, and literally that's it. It's just as simple. Anybody can do this. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That you finish of your video have finished removing, make sure you press side to download the video, and then you're ready to upload to whatever social media platform that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.